Whew. Good day, NEA family and guests. Mi familia, mi gente, ¿dónde tú eres? Standing before you today is the daughter of Afro-Caribbean West Indian parents from St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. A mother, a mother who was a floor nurse and later a graduate of Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, who became a public health administrator, and a father who is an alumnus of Hampton University, the real HU, and HBCU in Hampton, Virginia, and later with the GI Bill, an alumnus of the Howard University Law School, the other HU. And he is now enjoying his time as a retired Chief Judge Emeritus. Well, that's who I fa. A saying I grew up with comes from my dad, who believes and still says to this very day, nothing is so complicated that it cannot be simplified by hard work. And I thank God each day that I get to do this hard work. As someone in recent political history has said, you may have heard it, hard work is good work. So, who am I? I'm an Afro-Caribbean West Indian woman from St. Thomas, Virgin Islands, who graduated from Charlotte Amalie High School at 16 years old, then attended Hampton University as a physics major on a music scholarship, played clarinet, became a section leader in the Hampton University Marching Pirates, and even performed with them in the Rose Bowl parade. Who graduated from Hampton University with a bachelor's degree in mathematics and a master's degree in applied mathematics. Then interned for 2 years at the NASA Langley Research Center in Langley, Virginia, in the field of unsteady aerodynamics, where I created and ran computer programs for wind tunnel simulations, not even knowing at that time that the path I was following had already been laid in the footsteps of Black computer scientists such as Dorothy Vaughan, Catherine Goebel Johnson, and Mary Jackson. You may know them as the Hidden Figures. Who got called out of programming and research into the field of teaching and learning, who has been an associate professor of mathematics for the past 25 years, and who will be starting my 26th year this very fall semester. Who stands upon the shoulders and the graves of so many who came before me and many others of my generation. The ancestors who took action for me, fought for me, and advocated for me at a time when basic rights were not granted to people who looked like me, speak with an accent like me, or wear their hair like me. Did you hear me?
Yes, we did.
So, who am I, my union siblings and kin? I am Teresa M. Hodge, your 2025 Higher Educator of the Year, who will continue to act, continue to fight, and continue to advocate for the rights of our higher education professionals, and I humbly accept this recognition to represent the profession of higher education in the upcoming year.
Yes, you will.
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
Yes, you will.
And I will boldly and unapologetically shine the light of truth wherever there are lies. And I will use my voice to bring awareness to and for higher education issues across this nation. But That's my board class. And I'm actually going to take some time right now to give some thanks. I want to first thank my Creator, because without Him, and I believe in Him, but you have the right not to, but because of Him, I am here. And then a shout out to my Virgin Islands village, which includes my family and every teacher and educator, I mean everyone, the cafeteria worker, the bus drivers, that I encountered from Lockhart Elementary School, Wayne Aspinall Junior High School, and the Charlotte Amalie High School. I could not have done it without them. And I'd like to give a special shout out to the United Faculty of Florida, my Union home and family, UFF, yes. And to the National Council for Higher Education, without whom this very award that I accept today would not even exist. Fellow educators, may we all learn to build the same kind of resilience our ancestors did as we face our current adversities. May we endeavor to build our power through allyship with our community partners and grow them into co-conspirators. And may we continue to fight for the respect we deserve as professionals in our respective fields, regardless of our job classifications. We must remain true to who we are and never, ever diminish our light or its brightness, because how else can we light a path for those who will come behind us? Before I close, I have a plea. As the cat mom to 7 wonderful rescues, I humbly ask, meow, that when adding a fur baby to your human family, please, I implore you, consider the option of adopting a rescue pet to help clear the shelters and give these pets a loving forever home. I will leave you with this. I close with the following words from singer and songwriter Sam Cooke. And if you know it, feel free to join me. I was born by the river, in a little tent. Oh, and just like the river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. Then I go to my brother, yeah, and I say, brother, help me please. But when I went to my brother, he winds up knocking me back down on my knees. But oh, there have been times that I thought I couldn't last for long. Oh, but now I think I'm able to carry on, 'cause it's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. 'Cause there have been times when we thought we couldn't last for long. No, no, no. But now we think we're able to. We will carry on. It's been a long time coming, and I know a change must come. Yes, NEA, it's a long time coming, and I know a change must come. Thank you, NEA.